Wait. Stay right there. It's just your girl, Brittanee. Don't move. Hey guys, and welcome back. I have another little project share with the Globeland dies. So if you missed out on my first one that I did, I will have that video linked for you so you can go back and check out that creativity and inspiration. So a reminder that these dies will be in the description box down below, as well as a coupon code so you can save. And just because I'm showing you things like in Halloween-esque or fall-esque mode doesn't mean you can't utilize it for Christmas, birthdays, Valentine's Day, or whatever, what have you, whatever tickles your fancy. So anyways, so we have this first one, and this was like, now I thought it was more like a pencil box, but then when I put everything together and tried to put pencils in there, the pencils, like the standard size pencils, was actually just a teensy little bit too big for the box. So that was disrespectful. So, but that's okay. That's okay. So this die actually comes with 2 boxes. And so here are the smaller ones. Now, I didn't do anything special. I did cut out a window and everything. But this is how this one turned out. So the finishing size is about a 1/2 inch thick and a little over 6.5 inches long. And so I thought it would be great to put like a pokey tool in there. And so it has like the little flaps and everything. This, again, these cut out like really well. The only thing I would have to say about these dies is that it has unnecessary flaps. I think they're unnecessary. I mean, they probably do serve a purpose for whatever other reason, but I don't know. I felt like it just... the flaps like that you glue together, I just felt like maybe it's a little unnecessary, but that's just my own opinion. Again, they probably do serve like a better purpose, like keeping things from shifting and moving around, but when you're putting it together, it's like, oh my gosh. But and these are great though. They do fold flat, so then you can go ahead and make a whole bunch of these and just store them and grab them when you need them. So if you are a person who makes like pokey tools or stuff like that often, great little packaging for them. And so of course you can't do the ones with the bigger balls on there, that won't fit in there, but like, you know, the medium size, small, so there's something small and decent that can go in that one. So those are the smaller box, and like I said, it has the bigger one here. Oh my goodness, I got a hole on the other side, golly. So that is what these are what these turned out to be. Just I was thinking, I love it. And if you don't seal the bottom, it does fold flat again, so you can make a whole bunch of these and store it somewhere, grab them when you need them. And again, like I said, a standard size pencil doesn't fit in these. I didn't test the pen, but you know, pens come in so many different heights and stuff, so pens will most likely work. Standard pencil does not. So, yeah, we have that. So I have like, traditional Halloween, and then I have pastel right here. It's so cute. I love the way I decorated it. It's just so cute and girly. And then I just added a binder clip or a bulldog clip to seal it closed. Of course, you can do removable tape or whatever, what have you. And then like this one here, I just added pom-poms on the inside and did some like small decorating on this one, again with the bulldog clip to keep that closed. So that is what I did with these guys. These turned out super cute. I like it. I really do. So let's push out to the side, and then we're gonna do the little candy cart one. And the first one I made a couple mistakes, but it is what it is. And that's usually what happens with the first one that you make. The second one turns out better. But I do have 2 of them. And they still are very cute. Okay. So this one, I sealed the top all the way around except for one side, so you still can open it and put in your treats or whatever. But like the mistake I made, I'm gonna tell y'all the mistake I made, so then that way when you have it, you are paying attention, because I was not. The little scallop pieces, they actually don't match up on all 3 sides. And I thought I had everything matched up the way I needed it to, and then when I put everything together, I was like, oh shucks. So yeah, so I have one side that is actually the incorrect side, so everything kind of threw it off. But it's okay. It's still cute, regardless. But like I said, I wanted y'all to know, so you don't make the same mistakes I did. You can pay attention, because I wasn't. All right? Okay. And, but like I just did my own little decorating here, added some pumpkins, added treats here. Here are the wheels, and I added some buttons on the side. The candy, the die cut candy is part of the die. And then again, just did my own little, I Brittanified it. So I can't remember who, unless I, no, that's my girl, Rocky Road Ahead. She was like, bam. I love her. But anyways, so, oops. And this is the one I did differently. So this one I did not seal down. You can still take it off. And then, I forgot I even have this here. But this is just kind of like to help contain the contents that are on the inside. But otherwise, it can just sit right on top as such. And so this one I sealed, but left one flap open. This one I did not. So you just, surprise. And so again, I had to go with the pastel look. So I did the same thing with the wheels, and then just decorated differently here. And then Happy Halloween at the top. So spectacular. And I did add the little picks in the center just to make it super cute and fun. Added a tassel on this one. Added a foam sticky that's not so sticky anymore to this one. So I really like how these came out. These are super cute. Again, I made my little mistake, but you know, it is what it is. It's not going to anybody. I don't think. I don't know. But my intentions are just gonna get stored away somewhere, because you know Halloween is practically over and we're knocking on the door of Christmas. I mean, don't forget about Thanksgiving, but you know what I mean. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed the dies. I hope you enjoyed what I created. I hope it gave you some ideas. Again, use my coupon code. Use the links down below in the description box. And don't forget to like, subscribe, because you're going to miss out on my future uploads if you do not subscribe. And I just want to let you know right now that that's very disrespectful. Okay? Okay. All right. Until next time, pumpkin. Bye.